Good morning and namaste to everyone. Welcome to my channel Explore Places with Dipani. And today we come at very interesting place with my kid. I come here. You can see here. So from last 3 to 4 days it was raining here in Kuala Lumpur, and now today's weather is very clear. So we decided to come here for jogging and walking, and my kid also like to play here. There are many interesting facts about the KLCC Park, so I will tell you when we move forward. So guys, please stay with me, and if you didn't subscribe my channel, then please subscribe, and if you like the video, then please like my video. Thank you, and let's go. I am very excited to see the park.
So first I check in here through my Sujatra app.
So this is a 50-acre garden set close to Suria KLCC Mall. You can see the people are jogging here, they are doing exercise. And here the man-made lake is here, which is 10,000 square meter area. Also the bridge cuts across the lake, which is 43 meter long.
So KLCC Park itself is a city center. So here around KLCC we can see and visit Petronas Twin Tower. Also the mosque is there, you can see that side. Also Menara Maxis, Traders Hotel, Kuala Lumpur Convention Center. Many places are here around KLCC. So first we will do jogging. It's a beautiful and functional park of soft and hard landscapes interspersed with amenities and playground. Here I really feel calm and harmonious in the midst of a busy and dynamic city. So KLCC Park is a unique work of art where facilities like jogging track, children's pool, children's playground, lake symphony fountain, elevated bridge, rest areas, everything is available here. So whenever you will come with your kids, you will definitely enjoy. So this KLCC Park is beautiful not only because of its greenery and its design, but here we can see the different flowers. Also the trees which are here, it attracts the different types of birds like spotted dove, peaceful dove, then bee eater, yellow vented bulbul, Eurasian tree sparrow can be seen at the park. Here I really feel calm and peaceful, and it's almost 20 minutes over that I'm doing jogging. Here everywhere you can see the benches are here, and it's designed very nicely in different way, so you will enjoy to sit here also. I just love this greenery and this park. So there are more than 2000 trees and palms from 66 species. Some 23 species of trees aged between 60 and 80 years. You can see the Indian rubber trees are also here in the park. Here you can see the water fountain. This water fountain can shoot up to a height of 42 meters, and that's why most of the people come here in evening to see the water fountain show. We call it symphony water fountain show. If you will click photos from here, it will be amazing. It's very beautiful. And now we come to swimming pool area. This is a waddling pool, so kids can play here. Very nice sculptures are also here in the park. You will see everywhere sculptures are here. Actually, this park is designed by the Brazilian architect. And here washroom is here, so you can change the clothes. After 30 minutes of walk, my kid is super excited to go in the waddling pool, and now he loves to play in the water.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You look so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all on you, that you are mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love, you won't ever be alone. My summer love. Been waiting
So spending 2 to 3 hours in waddling pool, we are moving towards the children's playground. So this children's playground is 2 acre.
my love is forever yours. You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet, with you I know.
So it's weekend and children love to play here. There is a lot of rush in the park.
Never leave me, never let me go, my summer love.
Here we can see the slides, then seesaw, swings, everything is here. So this is all about the KLCC Park. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like my video, then subscribe my channel and please keep watching. Thank you.